Hey everybody, Samantha here. Today's video is going to be unlike one that I have made before. It's going to be none other than a feeding video. I'm very excited for this. I haven't gotten to do one of these for you guys before. But you have seen some of the animals eat in past videos, but this is going to be a complete dedicated video just for feedings. I'm also going to be introducing you guys to the rest of my fish. As you see, I do have a fish tank right behind me as well as to my right, so you'll get to see what's in there today. I'm very excited to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoy everything, and let's get right to it. Alright everybody, so I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about this tank. This is our 90-gallon freshwater aquarium. As you see, it does hold a variety of different fish, mainly cichlids. Here is our Pike Cichlid. I do believe they are from South America. I'm not sure on the specific species he is. If anybody knows, definitely let me know down in the comments. Here is our green Severum, another type of cichlid. For a larger cichlid, they can be fairly peaceful, so they're fantastic for a community tank. That is our keyhole cichlid there. Again, another fantastic choice for a community tank. And these guys are Ultim angelfish. They're a wild type of angelfish. Those specific ones were captive bred, but they do get much larger than your typical angel. I do also have a gold Gourami in here, and here is our ropefish. The ropefish are from Africa. Most of the fish in here are from South America, but these guys are African. They are a species of eel, and what's cool about them is they do come up for air every once in a while. Alright, let's get to feeding everybody. So most of these fish are definitely good for community tanks. I would say I wouldn't put smaller fish in with them. Some of them do have fairly large mouths, but I will definitely get into more description in a later video about them. This is our 75-gallon freshwater aquarium, and it holds our African cichlids. Now, African cichlids can be a little bit more on the aggressive side, so you definitely want to monitor their behavior with other fish. Certain species of catfish, loaches, and bigger, faster tetras may do well with them, but you definitely want to keep an eye on their behavior. So in this tank, we have a variety of different peacock cichlids, a tropheus, a calvus, and a yellow libidochromis. The yellow libidochromis is probably one of my favorites. He has that nice bright yellow and black coloration. They are all beautiful fish though. Very fun to keep, and they have an amazing feeding response. Today, Penelope's getting some dubia roaches dusted with calcium D3. So I wanted to take this opportunity to give you guys a little update on my little baby emperor scorpion. I've been very happy with his progression so far. As you can see in this video, his pedipalps as well as his back is really starting to darken up. And he's been eating with me, which is absolutely amazing, and I'm very happy with how he's doing. Alright everybody, that's everything for today's video. I hope you all had fun watching it. I definitely had fun filming it. I hope you enjoyed getting to see my animals eat as well as meeting the rest of my fish. If you guys have any questions, definitely comment and let me know. I'd love to answer some. I kind of wanted to celebrate a little bit too because I actually reached 50 subscribers and I didn't even think I'd make it that far, so thank you all for that. I hope everybody has a beautiful day. Bye!